Hi, this is Jordan with ButterflyMX. In this video, we're going to go over how to navigate the ButterflyMX OS as an admin. Before we get started, please make sure that you have registered for your admin access. To log into your ButterflyMX administrator account, please visit butterflymx.com and click Login at the top of the page. This will take you to the ButterflyMX OS login page where you can enter your username and password. Once the information is added, simply hit Sign In. Next, you'll be on the live building page where you can select which building you'd like to have access to. The first page you'll be taken to is the dashboard. Here you will find various statistics based on your property. The left side of the dashboard is where you'll be able to navigate to the different sections of the OS. Let's start with the tenants page at the top. Here is where you'll find a list of all of your current tenants. You can scroll down through the list or through the pages to find someone. You can also search for specific unit labels or tenant names as well. If you want, you can click this button right here to download all the information as a CSV file. On the right-hand side of the page, next to everyone's name, you have a few options at hand. You can hit the paper airplane button to resend a registration link, click on the pen and paper icon in order to edit their information, or hit the X to delete them from the system. Don't forget, you can always add a new tenant by clicking the plus Add Tenant button at the top of the page. Now, let us move on to the calls and door releases sections. The calls page is where you will find a list of every single call made from the ButterflyMX intercom, regardless of whether it's been answered or not. Heading into the door releases section, you will find a list of every single time the door has been released by the ButterflyMX intercom. Over in devices, you'll see a list of every single device currently installed at the property. The zones page will allow you to see all the various zones that are currently set up. What this does is it separates out your various tenants into different doors depending on which access you think they need. Same thing with access management. Here's where you can not only say which door a tenant can use, but the days and times that they can use it. Over on the units page is a list of all the current units listed in your property. The administrators section will show you a list of all of your current administrators who have access to the ButterflyMX OS. The inactivity messages page allows you to put a message of your choice displayed on the intercom, and the group messages page allows you to send a message to all of your tenants. Delivery authorizations is where you as an admin can create PIN codes for your vendors. The active visitor access page allows you to see a record of every single delivery pass and virtual key that's been created by a tenant. You can also delete them by hitting the X on the right-hand side. The tours section is for those who are utilizing our self-guided tours product. The amenities section would be if you are managing any of your amenity spaces with the ButterflyMX system. Same with the Amenity Reservations tab right below it. And finally, we have the Settings tab. At the top of the page, you'll find Display Name Strategy. This is where you can change how tenants look in a directory. By default, it's always set to first name, last name, but you can choose from any of the other options. Scrolling down, you'll also see such things as Delivery Pass, where you can turn on or off this feature. And that's it. Now you know how to navigate the ButterflyMX OS as a property admin. If you'd like more information on all the topics discussed today, we've made separate videos for each one of the sections in the ButterflyMX OS. Feel free to check them out to learn more. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to learn how ButterflyMX makes property access simple.